Hello guys, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this floor curvy here, okay, which is not so straight, okay, slightly curved like this, okay, like this image, okay. So let's get started. So first we just roughly know our floor plan, okay, look like this, okay. Next from here floor plan, come to customize, okay, go to ceiling, which is this one, select it, okay. Then you come to section library first, okay. So we select the ground loop platform design, select it, okay. So he is up here, she's here, okay. Then you press the edit, okay, it will look like this. Then we drag this one called wooden line, which is in section library, drag and put like this. Scroll back a little bit, you saw here, not it's here, drag and put here the corner, okay. That's here come out already, look like this, okay. Once you return, okay, you will slightly have curve already. Then we put the material. We put the material in cloud. Okay. Universal library. Okay. Let's say I use stone. Okay. Okay, I roughly use this one. Okay, I apply. Then start render. Okay, once you're done the render, okay, go to a gallery. Okay, which looks something like this. See? Okay. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for more or latest video. Okay. Bye guys.